In a previous video, I spoke to you about family-based green card applications or applying for a green card through a family member. Today, I'd like to speak to you about employment-based green card applications, the EB categories, as many of you may have heard. There are 5 ways that you can apply for a green card under the employment-based categories. Employment-based first category, the EB-1A category, is for extraordinary individuals. The EB-1 category also includes researchers and scientists, and it also includes multinational managers. So you can apply for a green card under the EB-1 first preference categories 3 ways. The EB-2 second preference category is for those with advanced degrees. So those with a master's degree or those with a bachelor's plus 5 years of progressive experience. What's also included in the EB-2 second preference category is the national interest waiver. So typically those people applying under the EB-2 second preference category have to go through the labor certification process. However, if you request a national interest waiver, you show that the work you're doing is in the national interest, you can request a waiver of the labor certification process. However, you still fall under the EB-2 second preference category. The next category is the EB-3 category, and those are for skilled workers, professionals, unskilled workers. Typically, it's those people who have bachelor's degrees who are professionals who apply under this category. The 4th category is for special immigrants, and those include religious workers, some physicians, special immigrant juveniles, and then lastly, there's the EB-5 category for investors. If you invest a large amount of money in the U.S., $500,000 up to $1 million, you can apply for a green card under the EB-5 category. But the important question is, when can you apply for a green card? So priority dates are critical. When your priority date is current, that is when you can apply for a green card. And you check your priority date in the visa bulletin. So this month's visa bulletin was unusual. The EB-3 category progressed significantly such that many people who initially applied under the EB-2 second preference category can now apply for a green card under the 3rd preference category. So it's very important to know your priority date, to check your priority date in the visa bulletin. The visa bulletin is issued by the State Department, and apply as soon as possible. It is projected that these priority dates will advance, so this is good news. So check it this month to see if you qualify to apply for a green card, and check it in the coming months. Because as I mentioned, it is projected that these dates, these priority dates, the dates you can apply for a green card, will be advancing.